Today, we're talking about one of the most nutritious and delicious fruits out there, avocados. Avocados contain a unique combination of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants that can help support brain health. The healthy fats in avocados, particularly oleic acid, have been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Avocados are a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that are essential for eye health. These antioxidants can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Avocados contain a range of anti-inflammatory compounds, including polyphenols and omega-3 fatty acids. These compounds can help reduce inflammation and improve symptoms of conditions like arthritis and asthma. Avocados are a good source of several minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones. The vitamin K in avocados also helps regulate calcium metabolism and support bone health. The healthy fats and antioxidants in avocados may also help improve hair and skin health. The vitamin E in avocados can help protect the skin from damage and promote healthy aging. There you have it, the amazing health benefits of avocados. So add avocados to your diet and start reaping the rewards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.